Hello guys, welcome back to M's tutorial YouTube channel. And please, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials on Photoshop. And in this video, I'm about to show you how to make a color halftone text and make text straight as if that's the original image of the text. And so in this video I'm about to create a new time. So I'll create a new file and change this to inches. Make sure there's a RGB color, or else your color will be black and white. So I would like to prefer 69 as a YouTube form, and you click on create. So in my first step, I like to click on feed for test, or click here for test, and I'll click here and write down my test. Let me use Google Google. And for my font, I prefer the new. So the new. I prefer this font. So I will enlarge my font for it to be bigger, so I can do whatever. And before you make this step, make sure your font isn't on bold font. So you turn off this and make sure. Okay, so from here I'll make a duplicate of this one. So I'll click on Control J, but firstly let me enlarge my text, and I'll click on Control J to duplicate. Control J to duplicate. Then I turn it upside down. Edit, transform, vertically. Turn it upside down. So I like to stretch this one to make it a little bit bigger. Then make this one too bigger. You can also make it any way you want it, but I want it bigger. Then I click here, you right click here, then click on convert to shape, and same as this one, right click, convert to shape, and you pick these two, or press on A to, and you select on the portion you want to stretch. Then use the arrow keys to stretch it. So I'll use this to move to select this one, click on this, then you move it like this. So I'll use the move tool and move this one up. Let me scale this down a little bit. Okay, so you come here, then come to click on this one, then come to edit, half perspective, then you drag this one to your left side, and make this one a little bit like this. So come here to lower your opacity to make it look more realistic, as if it's a shadow casted on the ground. Your opacity, yeah, I think this. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, and this how you want to stretch your letters. So in any image or graphic you want to do, you can use this to stretch your letters. And thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for new and more tutorials. Bye bye.